Welcome to Alicia's Fact Junction. Today, we're diving into some fascinating and lesser-known facts about our very own Milky Way galaxy. You know that band of light you might see stretching across a truly dark night sky? That's our home in the cosmos. It's a swirling city of stars, gas, dust, and a whole lot of mysteries. And over the next few minutes, we're going to unlock some of those mysteries together. So buckle up, space cadets, and get ready for a cosmic adventure as we explore 12 mind-blowing facts about the Milky Way. Let's start with the basics. Just how old is the Milky Way? Well, buckle up, because we're talking about a time scale that makes human history look like a blink of an eye. Astronomers estimate the Milky Way to be about 13.6 billion years old. To put that in perspective, the universe itself is only a hair older at 13.8 billion years. That means the Milky Way has been around almost since the beginning of, well, everything. And here's a cosmic clue. Some of the oldest stars in the Milky Way are nearly as old as the universe itself. That tells us the galaxy started forming pretty darn soon after the Big Bang. At the heart of our galaxy, hidden behind swirling clouds of gas and dust, lurks a true monster, a supermassive black hole known as Sagittarius A*. Don't let the name fool you. This is no ordinary stellar corpse. We're talking about a behemoth with a mass millions of times greater than our sun, a gravitational sinkhole so strong that not even light can escape its clutches. And here's the kicker. Everything in the Milky Way, including our own sun, is locked in a cosmic dance around this supermassive black hole. It's a constant waltz of gravity, a delicate balance of forces that has kept our galaxy spinning for billions of years. When we picture the Milky Way, we often imagine a classic spiral shape, kind of like a cosmic pinwheel. And while it's true that our galaxy does have spiral arms, it's not quite that simple. You see, the Milky Way is what astronomers call a barred spiral galaxy. What does that mean? Well, it means that instead of a simple spiral, our galaxy has this elongated central region, a kind of bar-shaped structure made up of stars. Think of it like this. Imagine taking a regular spiral galaxy and stretching it out a bit from the center. That's our Milky Way, a barred spiral with a central bar adding a twist to its cosmic structure. Chapter 4. Bigger than you think. We often talk about the Milky Way being vast, and for good reason. It stretches some 105,700 light-years across. That means if you could travel at the speed of light, which, spoiler alert, you can't, it would still take you 105,700 years to cross our galaxy. But here's the thing, recent studies suggest the Milky Way might be even bigger than we thought. How much bigger? Well, some astronomers believe its outer halo, a region of stars and dark matter that surrounds the main disk, could stretch up to 1 million light-years across. That means the Milky Way might be 10 times larger than we previously thought. A truly humbling thought. Chapter 5. A stellar census. So, just how crowded is this cosmic city of ours? Well, let's just say it's not exactly suffering from a population shortage. Astronomers estimate that the Milky Way contains between 100 to 400 billion stars. That's right, billions with a B. And it's not like the Milky Way is done making new stars. Oh no, within those swirling spiral arms, clouds of gas and dust are collapsing, igniting new stars into existence. It's a cosmic cycle of stellar birth and death that has been going on for billions of years. Chapter 6. The Milky Way's Wild Ride. You might think of the Milky Way as this static, unchanging structure, but nothing could be further from the truth. Our galaxy is in constant motion, and I'm not just talking about the stars orbiting the galactic center. No, the Milky Way itself is on a wild ride. How wild? Well, hold on to your hats, because our galaxy is zipping through space at a mind-boggling 828,000 kilometers per hour. That's over 500,000 miles per hour, folks. We're talking about speeds that make a supersonic jet look like a snail. Chapter 7. Galactic collisions. The universe is a dynamic place, and galaxies, well, they like to bump into each other, and guess what? The Milky Way is no stranger to these cosmic fender benders. In fact, right now, as we speak, the Milky Way is in the process of merging with smaller galaxies, like the Sagittarius dwarf galaxy, but the main event, the big one, is still to come. Mark your calendars, because in about 4.5 billion years the Milky Way is on a collision course with our galactic neighbor, the Andromeda Galaxy. Now, when galaxies collide, it's not like planets are smashing into each other, it's more like a slow gravitational dance, a merger that will reshape both galaxies over billions of years. Chapter 8. The Mystery of Dark Matter. Here's a cosmic conundrum for you. When astronomers add up all the stuff we can see in the Milky Way, the stars, the gas, the dust, it doesn't account for the galaxy's total mass. There's something else out there. Something we can't see, something mysterious that's holding it all together. That something is what we call dark matter. We don't know what it is, but we know it's there, and it makes up a whopping 80% of the Milky Way's mass. It's like the cosmic glue holding our galaxy and countless others together. Chapter 9. Our Cosmic Address. In this vast cosmic city of ours, it's easy to feel insignificant, but it's important to remember that we have a place here, a cosmic address within the Milky Way. Our solar system, with our sun and its 8 planets, is located about 27,000 light-years from the galactic center, and we're not just randomly placed. We're situated in one of the Milky Way's spiral arms, known as the Orion Arm. It's a pretty good neighborhood, not too close to the hustle and bustle of the galactic center, but not too far out in the galactic boonies either. Chapter 10. A Dusty View. You know, for a galaxy we call the Milky Way, it can be surprisingly hard to get a good look at it. That's because our galaxy is filled with gas and dust, especially in the disk where most of the stars are located. In fact, about 99% of the gas and dust in the Milky Way lies in the disk, and this stuff can block our view of the galactic center. That's why astronomers have to get creative. They use telescopes that can see in other wavelengths of light, like infrared and radio waves, which can penetrate the dust and give us a clearer view of what's going on in the heart of our galaxy. Chapter 11. A History of Cannibalism. The Milky Way we see today wasn't built in a day, or even a billion years for that matter. You see, our galaxy has a bit of a history of galactic cannibalism. That's right, over its long lifetime, the Milky Way has consumed and absorbed many smaller galaxies. Think of it as galactic survival of the fittest. The Milky Way's gravity draws in these smaller galaxies, tearing them apart and incorporating their stars and gas into its own structure. It's a bit of a messy process, but hey, it's how galaxies grow. Chapter 12. Echoes of the Past. Even when it seems quiet, the Milky Way is whispering secrets of its past. Astronomers have detected a faint gamma-ray glow coming from the center of our galaxy. What's causing this eerie glow? Well, we're not entirely sure, but it could be the remnants of ancient explosions, perhaps even echoes of activity from the supermassive black hole Sagittarius A*. It's a reminder that the Milky Way is not a static picture. It's a dynamic, evolving entity with a rich history and a future full of wonder and mystery. Outro, keep exploring the cosmos. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed these facts, please like, share, and comment your favorite facts in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon for more amazing facts, only at Alicia's Fact Junction.